There, so let's get you into the elements. News Center 5's Mary Saladna is battling the wind, rain, and waves on Plum Island. Mary?
Yeah, that's right, Heather. You know, this is exactly the kind of extended, slow-moving storm that people here worry about. We are right now about 25 minutes away from high tide, and take a look at these waves. Man, they are just been pounding this shoreline all night. You'll see all of a sudden big huge ones will come up and just slam the coastline and these rocks, which are really all that's holding up these homes up above here on the cliffside. It has been this way all night with relentless winds, up to 60-mile-an-hour gusts. You can see the ocean looks really angry at this point, but it is actually the next high tide that residents here are most concerned about.
Tomorrow morning's tide at 11:30, Mary, is a great concern. We have high wave energy, and the wave height's going to be significant. So we have our fingers crossed that we'll be okay during that. There are no homes that are in immediate danger, but again, we'll have to see what happens tomorrow.
Now, you know, it was about, let's see, March of 2013 that we lost 6 homes here on Plum Island. A really difficult time for residents there. That has been haunting people still. So there's a lot of concern here. Again, tomorrow the high tide around 11:30. I want to show you, we've been using a home here. You can see as a way to block the wind. Now watch what happens when I step out here onto the open deck. I mean, it's just unbelievable, the difference. The crosswinds here, you can see what I'm saying about 60-mile-an-hour gusts. It's a really ferocious wind that is slamming these waves into the shoreline here and putting those homes down there at risk. So take one more look now at the surf. Again, only about 20 minutes away now from high tide. It's going to be a sleepless night here on Plum Island. I'm on Plum Island. I'm Mary Saladna, WCVB News Center 5.